I have been working on Magnite for over 6 months now, and recently I've been beginning to rethink how I want to do the rest of the development for this game. Originally the plan was to release Magnite once it was feature complete. However, over the last few weeks, I've been doing some thinking and decided that the best way to develop this game going forward is for it to be with the community. Because of this, I've decided to release a public demo of Magnite. Now, fair warning, this demo is far from perfect. There isn't that much content from the game, and there are definitely some nasty bugs. However, I've decided that to make this game the best that it can possibly be, I should be getting feedback from the community as early as possible. So, if you headed over to the link in the description, downloaded the game and gave it some feedback, that would be extremely appreciated, and the best thing you could do to support me. I will hopefully be making some more devlogs on this project soon. Until then, stay awesome, and I'll see you all next time.